In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add order delivery date to WooCommerce. This is really useful if you want your customers to choose when they'd like their orders delivered, instead of you guessing or emailing back and forth. We'll do everything using a free plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard, so you won't need to touch any code. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over it, and in the submenu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for new plugins from the official WordPress repository. At the top right, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type delivery date, then press enter on your keyboard. In the list of results that appear, look for the plugin called Delivery and Pickup Date Time for WooCommerce. When you've found it, click on it to open its details page. On the right-hand side of that page, you'll see a button to install the plugin. Click Install, and once the installation finishes, that same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate so the plugin starts working on your site. After activation, WordPress will take you back to the list of your installed plugins. Scroll through this list until you see Delivery and Pickup Date Time for WooCommerce. Under the plugin's name, you'll find a Settings link. Click that link to open the plugin settings inside WooCommerce. You're now in the plugin's own dashboard. On the left-hand side of this area, look for the delivery date option and click it. This is where you'll control how the delivery date field behaves on your checkout page. Here, you can first enable the delivery date feature so it actually shows up for customers. You can also decide whether the delivery date should be a required field or optional. If you want to avoid missed information, it's usually a good idea to make it mandatory. Next, you can customize the label that appears above the field, such as Preferred Delivery Date. You can set how many days in advance customers are allowed to select, choose which day of the week your calendar starts on, and set the date format to match your region, like day, month, year, or month, day, year. There's also an option to automatically select the first available delivery date, which can speed up checkout for customers. Finally, choose which days of the week you actually deliver on, so customers can't pick days you're closed or unavailable. Once you're happy with all these settings, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom. That's it. Your WooCommerce store now lets customers pick an order delivery date during checkout.